Perfect. Now that we have our saved search and we've selected our leads, let's start building the sequence for them. So we can start by choosing a template, but I'm not going to because I want to build one with you. So let's just click next. As we click next, Amplemarket is preparing our leads, and it's going to prompt this screen where I can start building my sequence. So first things first, let's give it a name. Marketing and Sales Leaders in the US. There you go. Then as you click on the plus button here, you can see that Amplemarket is truly a multi-channel engagement platform. You can choose emails, you can choose LinkedIn steps, you can choose call steps, and other generic tasks. Let's build one sequence together, and as we build it, I will explain all of these different steps. So let's start with a LinkedIn like on last post. This is one of my first and favorite ways to start a sequence. So it creates awareness within my prospects of who I am before they even receive any written communication from me. So this is just a like on last post. And by the way, this like on last post is going to be fully automated for me. Remember, we connected our LinkedIn profile. Thus, Amplemarket can actually run LinkedIn automations for us. Then I'd like to go into an email. And instead of having that email feed being full automated, I can just ask Amplemarket to create a manual email task for me to execute later. So in this case, I'll just do a placeholder for hi, and then use their first name as a dynamic field. There you go. In the subject line, I'll do the same, my first name. Again, very bland, but Amplemarket is going to create a manual task for me to execute. And in this case, I don't want to wait 3 days. I prefer to do 2 days after the previous step. The next one is going to be a connection request. I want to do a connection request on LinkedIn. And here I would just say hi. And again, first name within the connection request. You can do more. I'm just keeping it super, super simple. And the last step of this sequence, I want it to be a fully automated email where I just say, hi, first name, when would be a good time to connect about, and then let's use another dynamic field here, like company names, goals for 2024. There you go. Perfect. It's a bland sequence. I don't recommend you use this one, but it's just to illustrate how you can build it. So let's go on to the next step. So in this step, you can actually check all of your leads. You can scroll to the right on this table here, but you can see all of the dynamic fields that are available to you. You can see all of the leads that you're going to be adding to this sequence. If you want to add a new data field, you can do it very easily here by giving it a name. If you want to customize leads specifically, I'm not going to. Let's go into the settings. So within the settings of the sequence, you can choose the mailboxes that you're going to use. In this case, I only have one. You can choose to throttle. So meaning you don't want to reach out to all of these people within 24 hours, but you can tell Amplemarket, reach out to 10 every 24 hours. And remember, I chose 75. So in this case, this sequence is going to last more than 7 days. And then you can choose your scheduling window. One very interesting thing is to actually send emails within the leads time zone. So in this case, I have leads in the US. So if I say 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., it will respect whether or not they're in Eastern time zone or Pacific time zone. Beautiful. And I have my delivery schedule set to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So it's going to only send emails during days of the week. Within the advanced settings, you can actually choose to send all of these activities and contacts to your CRM, but we don't need to go into that too much. Let's go into the next one. And so in here, you can actually preview the entirety of your sequence to all of your leads. So you can scroll down here and you can preview all of your touch points here. And now, if we're ready, we just click Launch Sequence. And now Amplemarket is going to be launching our sequence for us.